Want to turn on professional mode on Facebook using your iPhone? Here is a complete step-by-step guide to help you get started as a creator. First, open Facebook. Tap the menu icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then tap on your name to open your profile. Next, tap on the three-dot icon next to Edit Profile to open your profile settings. Select Turn on Professional Mode from the list and tap the Turn On button. Go through the welcome screens, select your default audience settings to public, and confirm your choices. Review your creator tools, customize your profile frame if you like, and finish the setup process. You can see the suggested options to turn on professional mode. You will get the congrats notification after turning on professional mode. You can see the newly activated professional dashboard and final profile view displaying creator stats. And that's it. Your professional mode is now active. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.